I've generated over $40,000 in cash in 2024 using Skool. And in this video, I'm going to show you the 3 steps to make 10K a month with Skool in 2025. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing we need to do is we need to craft a high value offer. Now this is the first step in making making 10K a month from Skool, because without an offer, you cannot make any money at all. Simple as that. You need to have an attractive offer where you target an ICP and then they give you money in exchange for you providing them the transformation. Now the offer could be anything, but you could provide it through coaching, consulting, or a course. Just pick one out of those 3. Now you need to make sure it solves the problem your ICP has. Now just to clarify, ICP stands for Ideal Client Profile. To craft your offer, I want you to focus on actually helping the client make the transformation as compared to what you're going to deliver to them. For example, instead of selling business coaching, promise to your audience a way to scale from 0 to 10K a month. Now, once that is done, we need to strengthen and validate the offer by engaging with potential customers. Now, we can ask them about their struggles, their desires. I want you to write all this down on a Google document, and this is going to allow you to ensure that your community is a solution to something prospects would pay for. Once we've validated the offer, we now need to make offer results driven with clear steps and timelines. I want you to reverse engineer the end outcome. Ask yourself, what is the end outcome you're delivering to your client? Then ask yourself after that, what is the time frame that you're going to deliver that outcome? Once you've answered those questions, reverse engineer the outcome with the time frame with clear action steps for the prospect to take from days 1 to 3, 5 to 10, 11 to 16, 17 to 25, and so on until the end of your program. Now, in these days, you can give them KPIs, which is key performance indicators, milestones to hit, and also a tracking sheet to gamify their entire business, and you make sure they're making progress. This just makes it so much more fun and easy for the client to actually get results. Now, the only thing that is left is pricing the offer. Now, I just want to make sure, don't price it under $999. That's absolute bullshit. Just make sure you price the offer above $999, because we're going to be selling high ticket. And the easiest way of making 10K a month is selling a $999 product 10 times a month, or selling a 5K a month product 2 times a month. Simple. That's step 1 done, which is to create a high value offer. Step 2 is to build and grow a free Skool community. The next step after we've created the offer is to build and grow a free Skool community that is going to attract all your ideal clients. Now, for those who don't know, Skool is a platform where you can host online communities. It's a powerful tool to build a tribe of engaged people you can easily sell to later down the line. We need to optimize our Skool community for growth by designing with a clear purpose. For example, if your niche is helping content creators, I want you to structure the group in such a way where you can easily provide value, tips, strategies, and exclusive resources to that niche. We need to make this free community so valuable, make it so valuable that it's something your competitors would pay for, or your competitors would charge this for. Now, once that is done, I want you to set up a clear onboarding process with welcome posts, introduction threads, and pinned resources. It just makes it so much more easier to make the new members that come into the community feel welcome immediately. And once that is done, you need to ensure that you post consistently inside the community with valuable resources that speak to your ideal clients' main problems. This could be posts, guides, community calls, coaching, whatever it is. Right? Now, to make the community engaged, you can leverage different engagement strategies like polls, challenges, lead magnets, and also exclusive resources. This is going to keep the community way more active and build way more trust. That is step 2 done. Now we move on to step 3, which is the leveraging content and outreach. The final step is leveraging content and direct outreach to convert free members into paying clients. Content is king, right? Content is king when it comes to converting free to paid. You can use platforms like YouTube to create long form content and also nurture your members so they're ready to buy. That's the whole point of YouTube as well. It also, bring in traffic to your community. You can post short form content on Instagram to direct attention to your brand and get them inside your free Skool community. If you want to post valuable content consistently and for long enough, you're going to position yourself as a go-to authority in the industry. Okay? And once you start getting testimonials, once you start working with clients, Get case studies and success stories and literally just spray them all over. Spray them all over your social medias. Alright. Okay, that's gonna build trust with you, with the prospect and stuff. So you can use direct outreach strategies to engage with members who are active inside the community. You can even send personalized Loom messages like this is Loom, the software I'm using to record this video, to offer maybe free consultations or answer some questions they have. And also make sure you host live events inside the community to provide even more value. And just the final thing is to make sure that you stay consistent with follow-ups, because that's really, really important. Follow-ups is really important. And the final thing is just understand that people won't buy instantly, so nurturing and building authentic relationships is key. Now, if you want a proven roadmap, combining all these 3 steps together in a systematized roadmap and framework, then I have a free school community down below. It's the top link in the description. Make sure you join today.